Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your current Python version with Python 3 version so you know the target. Once done, refresh package lists with sudo apt update and verify you have sudo privileges and a stable network. If you plan to compile from source, install Build Essential, curl, and wget now. These provide compilers and download tools. Make sure to create a backup or snapshot of critical projects before proceeding, because changing system Python can affect packages and system tools. You have two reliable paths, apt or source. If a packaged Python 3, X is available, sudo apt install Python 3. XY is fastest and keeps dependencies aligned. If you need a newer release, download the tarball, run. /configure enable optimizations, make $nproc to compile in parallel, and sudo make alt install to avoid overriding system Python. Once installed, use sudo update alternatives to register and switch Python 3 executables, ensuring scripts reference the intended binary without breaking system utilities. You finish by verifying the new interpreter with Python 3 version and confirming pip3 works. Then create a virtualenv and install key packages to validate behavior. Make sure to upgrade pip, setup tools, and wheel inside the new environment so installs succeed. If something breaks, do not modify /usr/bin/python. Instead, fix alternatives or restore from your snapshot. A common fix is checking symlinks, reinstalling Python 3 minimal, or moving back the previous alternative.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.